abashaho 24 okuruga mu ihanga lya China bari kushajikwa ba China National Offshore Oil Corporation eri kutimba amajita ga Kingfisher mu district ya Kikube bajanjabira abantu omukuragurro kubire kuryo kwabusha.
We aim to improve the health and well-being of the local population, seeing the enthusiasm and trust in the eyes of those who come for treatment.
Among these programs is the health and medical program, which focuses on strengthening healthcare infrastructure, knowledge exchange, and public health delivery.
Fan Zhengcheng okuruga muri embassy ya China mu Uganda nagira ngo President wa China Xi Jinping na President wa Uganda General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni bakakora umukago ogukureta kwa magara marungi okurabira mu kusindika abashaho mu Uganda.
And I'm also very happy to report that in the first 3 months this year, the export of Uganda to China had a growth of more than 300%.
You have exhibited a high level of humanity, love and compassion to the community here.
Semutebeita mukuru w'irwarure rukushangwa hamwaro gwabuka nagira ngo ibintu buremeze bw'amani abo barukushaba ngo bukorweho ahabwentura nunji y'abatura.
This medical camp comes at a time really which is at a really needed time.
Haruho abatunjiro bujanjabe batugambireho nabo kandi nabasima government ahabwentebekana seji
burwaire bwa maguru bukanyire so abantu bayingi bakusasa amaguru bakurumu amaguru ejwe tulengero kusabira abandi cyonka amaguru bali kubi
bayire nabantu babayire ni bali banandwaire zikwawukana batakwesobora boko mumanyire embera ya lero biro bigenda kurora doctor oyina kubanza kuturukya kasente ogenze ne marwa rugano gakora sente.
Abachina aba bahirena ne bukwatwa hirware lyabuhuka ebirumwe bitanda hamwe na nimubazi amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose n'wagabakatoto.